The chamber fell silent as Justice Barrett's voice cut through the air, sharp and biting, aimed squarely at Jasmine Crockett. It was more than an interruption, it was an attack. The nation froze as Barrett unleashed words no one expected, but what happened next left the court stunned. This moment was never just courtroom drama. It was the clash of two Americas, one clinging to privilege, the other demanding dignity. In a nation divided by power and identity, every word carried weight. This wasn't just about one exchange, it was about who defines justice in America. Justice Barrett carried herself with unshaken certainty, her rulings often echoing a rigid ideology that dismissed lived experience. Critics saw arrogance wrapped in a robe of authority, a tone that silenced rather than listened. But arrogance in the halls of justice has a way of backfiring. Jasmine Crockett's story was forged in resilience, from humble beginnings to the front lines of public service. Grounded in community, she carried voices too often ignored. She wasn't just ready to defend herself, she was prepared to defend the very idea of dignity in America. Barrett pressed harder, each remark sharper than the last, her tone meant to diminish and unsettle. Yet Crockett sat steady, her composure unshaken, her silence louder than any rebuttal. But the longer the attack went on, the more the crowd sensed the storm building. Then Crockett spoke, calm, precise, every word a blade of truth. She dismantled Barrett's attack with dignity and facts, leaving no refuge for arrogance to hide. Silence gripped the chamber, then whispers of awe spread. With one line, the balance of power shifted. Within hours, clips of Crockett's takedown flooded social media, hashtags trending, memes multiplying, late-night hosts replaying the moment with glee. Commentators sparred while supporters celebrated her composure. What began in one chamber spilled into every corner of America's conversation, reshaping the narrative far beyond those walls. Crockett's message rang clear: dignity defeats arrogance. Her poise reminded the nation that true strength lies not in titles, but in truth. Justice isn't about hierarchy, it's about fairness. In her resolve, Americans saw resilience, and the enduring promise that dignity will always prevail. What began as an attack ended as a reversal no one expected, truth eclipsing power plays, dignity silencing arrogance. Moments like these define history. If you believe in dignity over arrogance, share this story, and join us as we uncover the moments reshaping America.